Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today topic is network types. The internet is a worldwide collection of interconnected network cooperating with each other to exchange information using common standards. Using the internet, we can exchange information through telephone, wires, fiber optics, cable, wireless transmission, and satellite links. The internet is considered a network of networks because it is literally made up of thousands of local networks that are connected to each other. The internet connects more computing devices than just desktop and laptop computer. There are devices all around that you may interact with one a daily basis that are also connected to the internet devices. This is called the network types.